All right, guys, so here's how the magnetic ball and chain from Eagle Tool US works. Let's say you're fishing your rods back through, or you're trying to fish your line or your string line through. And let's say you've done it in the corner here, which is great, but you can't get to the line for whatever reason. If it keeps coming down this way, maybe the hole isn't big enough to reach your hand in, or the space of the gap is too far away. So then what you would do is you would pull the fish rod out, attach the ball and chain, which then gives you another about 12 inches down to the bottom. Grab your magnetic tip, add it to another fish rod, or if you don't have another fish rod, you can really just tape it to anything really, a long stick or something. All you're trying to do is fish it back through there to get the ball and chain and pull it back through. And then what you'll do is you'll just attach your electrical line to this. You'll tape it, tie it, whatever you need to do, and then pull your fish rod back out as you normally would, and that's it. What's also really cool is the magnetic tip is strong enough to retrieve tools from within the walls. So if you've dropped either nuts and bolts down there, if you've dropped keyhole saws or your knife, screwdrivers, it's even strong enough to pick up a framing hammer. So as you can see here, it's picking up a number of different tools, which is really cool. And that magnetic tip actually fits Greenlee's 1/4-inch fish rods as well as Klein Tools 1/4-inch fish rods. So if you're in the market for something like this, give it a shot. Really don't think you'll be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and as always, certainly hope this was helpful.